Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to track your Pandabuy orders. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So now we're gonna go to Reddit where I found that a guy right here explained how you can track your order on Pandabuy. So as you can see guys, this guy asked how to track package. Hey guys, I use KREMS Pandabuy said my parcel just shipped. I have the tracking number, but when you go to a KREMS website, it shows it can't be found. So as you can see guys, this guy explained the tracking info would be updated after 2 to 5 days normally. You could follow the status on 17 track. If you have any confusion, you could consult online support to figure it out. So I'm going to show you guys how you can track your order using 17 track. So firstly, make sure that you copy your order number from Pandabuy orders or from your email, because once you order, your order number will be also sent to you via email. So go ahead and in new tab search for 17 track. Once you search for 17 track, make sure that you click on this link. And then once you click on this link, right here, you need to enter the tracking number. And from here, you can choose your carrier. So you can choose anything that you want, FedEx, and so on. And then once you finish doing that, go ahead and click on track. And then you'll be able to track your order. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.